What's up, YouTube? Happy New Year. This is the first video of the new year. Sorry I'm so late, but that weather been so cold. I started to do a video 2 weeks ago. I said, nah, I ain't feeling it. But got a new part in, and I want to do a little unboxing for Demi. Hope everybody doing all right. You know what I'm saying? Happy Martin Luther King Day. I was last week. I know I'm late, but it was kind of cold out, so couldn't do it. That when I was gonna actually do the video, but I say, man, it's too cold. God damn it behind me. All right, let's get to this unboxing. Hope y'all can hear me. Move up a little closer a little bit. See what we got. Woo! Look good. Carbon fiber. The trunk. Get this out the way. Y'all get a little close. I suck for 2 reasons at DIYs. 1, I'm by myself. 2, I have no tools. I don't know what I did with all my tools. But shit. Oh. 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 Let's get a close up. Yes, sir. Got the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Now the trunk. Let that sink in. God, that's gonna look good. But I don't know how to put it on. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why, YouTube. I'm gonna show you why. This part right here, I can't get off. So, I think I'm gonna have my man Bruce at Speed Styles do it. That part right there. The rest look like 10 millimeter. For that side. That's about it.